Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the SIM and Apple ID are ready. Open Settings, tap your name to verify the Apple ID. Once done, go to Messages and toggle iMessage on. This initiates activation. Make sure the phone number appears under Send and Receive. If not, leave iMessage on and wait a few minutes for activation. You do this because iMessage links your Apple ID with that phone number to route messages securely. Keep connectivity stable while activation completes. You now confirm and select the handles used for iMessage. Open Settings, right arrow Messages, right arrow Send and Receive. Check the phone number box and any Apple ID emails you want to use. If the phone number isn't listed, sign out of your Apple ID in Messages and FaceTime, then sign back in. This forces revalidation. Also restart the iPhone after signing back in to refresh carrier and Apple servers. Doing this ensures messages originate from the phone number and sync across devices. You finish by testing and troubleshooting. Send an iMessage to another iPhone and confirm it shows as blue and list your phone number as the sender. If activation fails, toggle airplane mode on then off, restart the iPhone, and verify carrier SMS is working because activation sometimes uses a background SMS. If problems persist, contact your carrier to ensure SMS/line is active, then Apple support. Make sure other devices use the same Apple ID to sync the number across them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.